Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get real-time data on Webull. So to get started with the guide, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So you get started with the guide on how you can get a real-time data on Webull. So if you're on the mobile app version, just open the app, then log into your account. Then from there, tap the menu icon, which is at the bottom right. Then tap the settings or the gear icon at the top. Then from there, tap the code subscription. Then tap the US markets data. Then tap the NASDAQ basic. It's a free real-time data. Then tap subscribe and confirm. Then if you're on the desktop app, just log into your account using the desktop app or the website version. Then click the profile icon, which is at the top right. Then click account or settings. Then find the click market data subscription. Then click the subscribe next to the NASDAQ basic. Then confirm to activate the real-time data. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, hit the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.